Hello students, welcome back in your English class. I hope you all are well and safe. As you know, our chapter 8 tense is going on. So in this way, today we will discuss about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, it means it is used to express an action which has happened or completed in past, usually a long time ago. It means जो action है वो past में बहुत समय पहले ही पूरा हो चुका है. For that thing we use past perfect tense. Words like till, by then, before, by today, yesterday and evening etc. are normally used in past perfect tense. ये जो words हैं इनका यूज़ किया जाता है past perfect tense को show करने के लिए. For example, the patient had died. जो patient है वो बहुत पहले ही मर चुका था डॉक्टर के आने से पहले. Now, use of the past perfect tense. What is the use of past perfect tense? When two actions are combined. जब दो actions को combine किया जाता है, जोड़ा जाता है, the first action which was completed before the second one began. कि पहला जो एक्शन है वो दूसरे एक्शन की शुरू होने से पहले ही कंप्लीट हो चुका है इज पुट इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. तो जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका है टू शो दैट एक्शन वी यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. मैरी हैड read the book before she watched a film. इट मीन्स उसने जो एक्शन है बुक रीड करने का वो पहले फिनिश कर दिया है. आफ्टर दैट उसने मूवी देखी है. वी रीच्ड होम बिफोर इट रेन्ड. बारिश होने से पहले ही हम घर पहुंच चुके थे. वी हैड. द मैच हैड स्टार्टेड बिफोर ही अराइव्ड. उसके आने से पहले ही मैच शुरू हो चुका था. माई मोम हैड लेफ्ट बिफोर आई वैक अप. मेरे जागने से पहले मेरी माँ जा चुकी थी. इट मीन्स जो एक एक्शन है वो पहले पूरा हो चुका है दूसरा एक्शन के शुरू होने से पहले ही. नाउ लेट्स सी द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. First we will see affirmative sentence. First we have to write subject, then head, then past participle. Past participle, it means verbs third form, then object, then full stop. In past perfect tense, helping verb had is used. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड इन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस है उसमें हमें एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड का यूज करना है. एंड इन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव, इंटेरोगेटिव, वी हैव टू यूज वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म. जो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हमने रीड किया था, हमने डिस्कस किया था, उसमें हमने जब नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव बनाए थे तो डिड पुट कर दिया था. आफ्टर पुटिंग डिड we have to change verb second form into verbs first form. जो verb की second form थी उसे हमने first form में change कर दिया था. बट यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होगा. यहाँ had के साथ आपको सभी फॉर्मेट में verb की थर्ड फॉर्म ही यूज करनी है. Now let's see examples. I had informed my boss. I had sent the parcel by courier last Sunday. She had eaten an ice cream. Now negative sentence. First we have to write, then helping verb had. And as I told you, after helping verb we have to put not to make interrogative sentence. We put here not, then verbs third form, object and full stop. I had not informed my boss. I had not sent the parcel by courier last Sunday. She had not eaten an ice cream. Now let's see interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have to put helping verb at the starting of the sentence. जो interrogative sentence होते हैं उसमें हमें helping verb को शुरू में लगाना है. So had, then put, then verbs third form, object and full question mark. Had I informed my boss Had I sent the parcel by courier last Sunday? Had she eaten an ice cream? And in all these sentences, because these are interrogative, we have to put question mark. Now let's see some book exercise. Exercise E, this is given on page number 44 in your grammar book. Fill in the blanks with verbs of present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we have to mention here. And again, I am going to tell you that in present continuous tense, we use is, am, are, then verbs first form plus ing. So we have to mention here present continuous. It means we have to mention here is, am, are, verbs first form and ing. Then present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, we use has and have as a helping verb, then been, then verbs first form plus ing. So we have to mention here according to the tense. First we have to identify the tense, then we have to write. Jeffrey Archer a new novel for the last 1 year. It means we can see that the action is still going on. जो action है वो अभी भी चल रहा है, वो पिछले 1 साल से लिख रहा है. And here the time is mentioned. It means we have to mention here present perfect continuous tense. Has been writing. Sagarika from viral infection since last Sunday. Here again the time is shown. So we have to write here present perfect continuous tense has been suffering. The children their teacher for 5 days. Here is time. So we put here have been helping. Tina to learn French since she opted for it as the 3rd language. Again here time is shown. So we put here present perfect continuous has been trying. Next, I Hindi for 10 years have been learning because time is shown. They have been playing cricket since morning. We have to mention here in all tenses present perfect continuous. Exercise F given on page number 45. Fill in the blanks with verbs in present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Again you have to mention same thing. Present continuous, it means is, am, are, verb first form then ing. And present perfect continuous, it means you have to mention has, have, been plus verbs first form plus ing. So let's see. The dog for half an hour. Because here time is given, so we put here present perfect continuous has been barking. These days she is learning to ride a bicycle. अभी की प्रेजेंट की बात हो रही है, इन दिनों की बात हो रही है. इट मीन्स प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. He is driving to office now. Now, as I told you in present continuous tense, that now is given in present continuous tense. Now का जो use किया जाता है वो present continuous tense में use किया जाता है. So we put here is driving. He is driving to office now. The alligators for a week. Here for a week shows the time. So we put here has been protesting. Then he to participate in the cycling race next Monday. वो अभी से प्रिपेयर कर रही है, कर रहा है. He is preparing to participate in the cycling race next Monday. We have to put here present continuous tense. Then we don't earn much, but we are telling all the kids to contribute. कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कमाते बट हम सभी बच्चों को कह रहे हैं कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए. इट मीन्स हियर द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. I hope you have understand. You have to do these exercise in your notebook, sorry, book. Fill in your book only, then you have to learn. And your third term exam is near, so you have to study hard. Thank you and have a nice day.